Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to record two inputs at the same time in Audacity. So guys, for this tutorial, it will be on an interface. So first one is just simply go for the tracks and now go for the add new and go for the mono track. Now go for the tracks again and select add new and go for the mono track. So now you will have audio 1 and 2. Now from here guys, just make sure to select audio setup, and from here just simply go for the playback device, and now just make sure to select the output of the voice that you want. And now the important part will be the recording device. So here on the recording device guys, just simply select your interface and make sure your two microphones is connected to the interface. And after that, when you select it and when you press record, you should be able to have two mics recording. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like, and thanks for watching.